Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Data Science Gurus, and today we are going to discuss about how you can find one-word domains for your business using ChatGPT. Okay, so first of all, let me show you my website that from where you can go and you can search out our different articles and can have a better idea about everything. Okay, so this is our website, Data Science Gurus, and then you will go there and you can find this article on it. Okay, and you can easily share it on your social media platform as well. So, and here you can have all the details that what are one-word domains, what is the word of one-word domain, how you can sell them on different platforms like GoDaddy, and how you can make it a side hustle and can earn a huge profit. Okay, so first of all, you should have paid version of ChatGPT, and which is you can easily get for about $24 per month. Okay, after that you have to come here, you have to log in, and you have to come here, and you can see this page, and after that you have to go click here on GPT-4, and you have to click on the plugins, and after that here you have to go to the, like I have already installed these plugins, one word and keymate.ai search. You have to install these plugins, and how you can install it, you have to click here on this button, and after that you can see the plugins here, and this is a search option. You can easily search one word domain, and you can click on install button, and then you can go back. Okay, and then you can at one time you can only use you can use 3 plugins for ChatGPT. Okay, so you have to select keymate.ai search, and you have to select one word domains. Okay, and after that here you need to write a prompt, and what should be the prompt? For example, if you want a website for dog trainer, okay, or it could be anything. For example, if you you have some keywords for your business, like if you want to open any company, if you want to open a YouTube channel, if you want to open an Instagram page or something, so you should have keywords for that niche. Okay, so what you can do is you have to type the prompt here. For example, for this example, we can take the example for the website related to dog trainers. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write the prompt: please find the domain with the keyword dog trainer. Okay, and then you have to press enter, and it's gonna search out the domains for you for this one. What are the benefits for using ChatGPT to find a one-word domain? Like when you don't need to go to the websites and other you don't need to go to the other website like GoDaddy and other ones to search out the domains. You have the keywords, you can type the keywords. This is the prompt here, this is the specific prompt, it works the best on this. So you have to type this prompt, and you have to write this in double quotations, and you have the keyword dog trainer, and then it's gonna show you the best results. Okay, so it's gonna show you that, okay, dogtrainer.com, these are the results that are occupied. Okay, like some of the people just buy these domains, and they have these are already sold domains. So the best thing about this ChatGPT plugin is it is going to show you the best and the best keyword suggestions for your website according to search engine optimization. Okay, so right now you can see that it is showing us that these are the domains that are already occupied, and these are the best suggestions for you according to your according to SEO, according to your, if you want to resell these domains. So these domains can be like resold on a very good price as well. So these are the suggestions that you are actually it's showing you. Okay, so you have to write, like it's saying that would you like to check the availability of these or any other variations. Yes, yes, please find me a good domain. Okay, you have to write this prompt. So right now it will take this as an input, and it's gonna search out the best search engine optimized and having good resale value domains for you. Okay, so and it will give you the best results, and you can easily click on it and you can easily find that. Okay, so now you can see that dogtrainerhub.com is the domain that you can easily buy for your website, for your blog, or for your any stories or anything. Okay, so these are the available domains that your ChatGPT has searched out on different platforms and give you exactly the results that you can easily buy them for you. Okay, so now what you can do is you can click on it, and it will open on GoDaddy, and you can simply buy it on, like, for about I think so it's about $10 or something, so you can easily buy them for you. Okay, so these are the available domains that it has given you the 4 results. These are the best domains for the keyword dog trainer, that it will really help you out to easily search in, to easily get your website ranked on the Google as well. You can get more traffic as well by the help of these keywords for your business. Okay, so you can install this plugin. You can like have your other keywords as well. For example, if you want to if you want to open a restaurant or online store or something like that, clothing store, or any kind of like online store, so you can search the keywords for it. And this domain, this actually plugin will help you out to actually find out the best and SEO optimized domains for you, and you can buy them for a year. You can make them, or you can put them into auction on GoDaddy, on Sedo, on flippa.com. These are the famous websites on which you can easily sell these domains, and you can earn a really good profit. And other than that, you can make a website, you can start a blog, you can write the blog, and you can post the blogs on it, and after 3 months or 4 months you can flip this website on Flippa. Okay, and if you have a good traffic and you're earning, like, you can also earn through AdSense as well. You can apply for the AdSense account from your website, like what I am doing right now. I'm earning a good amount with the help of AdSense. Like I'm having a good traffic on my website. Okay, so this is all for today. If you have any questions or queries, you can simply ask them into the comment box, and I've also shared the email address and my Instagram page, and other platforms as well, Facebook as well. So if you need any sort of help, if you want to run, if you're looking for good domains, I can help you out to find the best domains for your business, and so that you can have a good traffic as well. Thank you so much for this. We'll see you in the next video.